Hi, everybody. I just wanted to do a really quick tutorial on this really convenient Gizmos app that is right up here in the corner and is really easy to miss. So, in the upper right hand corner of your Gizmos, there is a snapshot feature, which is really nice. And so, say I'm just doing this on the magnetism gizmo, but say you wanted to take a snapshot, you literally just click it, it's going to process the screenshot. And so then what you can do is you can right click on the image. You have two choices. You can either save the image to use it later, or you can just use the copy function. So if you go to copy, what it does is it puts it on the clipboard. And then you can go to the screen that you're working on, right? If you are doing it on a slide deck, or even if you're doing it on the Gizmos content, the material itself, you can go here. You can literally click on it, hit paste. It's going to probably come in. There we go. It's going to come in really big, but you can drag the corners. Remember, if you drag the corners, it keeps it with the same proportion. So even if it doesn't fit exactly in the box, your teacher is not going to have a hissy fit, I promise. So if you copy and click it from there, you're all set. And then you can go back to your gizmo. You can get rid of it and you can do the next thing that you have to do. So it's really simple. And I find it a little easier to use, quite frankly, than the clipping tools in the Chromebook. Okay, so I hope that helps everybody and have a great day.